Welcome to Metro News Lifeline of your city. Myself Satyajit. And today we have Mr. Suhas Bhai Mule with us, who is the president of Jagruk Nagri Manch Ahmednagar. Welcome to the talk show, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. So today Mr. Suhas Bhai has brought up some concerns to us, and his concerns are really genuine. So I'm gonna interview him today regarding these concerns. So, sir, is it right that all are scared due to this corona situation? And what are the sources available in market to protect ourselves from this COVID-19?
It is correct that everybody is scared due to this coronavirus pandemic situation all over the world, not only in our state or our city or in our country, all over world. The threatening climate is there regarding this coronavirus. It is crystal clear.
Right.
But due to these threatening situations, there are vast range of products day by day making available to the peoples to get protected against this coronavirus. And this wide range of products they are creating, some are fake and some are genuine.
Right.
So my claim was what, my objection was what, now you go to the market, as per my information, since last 8 months in our India itself, only in our India, 89 crore liters of sanitizer has been sold out. The cost of that sanitizer is 9,000 crore rupees.
9,000 crores. Right, sir.
Everybody is going to the market and they are purchasing sanitizer. But I am bringing some very important issue before some common peoples who are spending their money uselessly.
Right.
Because if you observe in the market, whatever the sanitizers are available, on the packet of that sanitizer, on the drums of that sanitizer, it is clearly mentioned in some bracket that this is effective against germs, this
Right.
is effective against bacteria.
Right. So, sir, like you're saying that there are many fake products in market, and also there are many manufacturers who are producing these fake type of sanitizers or products. So, do you have any examples of
Yes,
this?
that is why I am coming to the point. Just now I told you that on that sanitizer drum itself, it is written that it is effective against bacteria, it is effective against germs. But I am telling all the peoples with confidence because I am a science student, and everybody is a science student actually, because everybody goes through that phase on the standard of 8th or 9th or 10th also. If you open the book of physics chemistry of 10th standard, 9th standard, 8th standard, you will find whatever I am going to tell you, that there is a vast difference between germ, bacteria and virus.
Right.
Vast difference is there.
Right, sir.
Germ, what is the meaning of germ? What is the meaning of bacteria? And what is the meaning of virus? Virus is the smallest virus. It cannot be killed by such a chemical or by such a sanitizer which is effective against germ and bacteria.
So, sir, you mean to say that whatever sanitizers are available in the market, they are not effective for this coronavirus?
Yes, I am claiming that because they should write on that container itself that this sanitizer is effective against COVID-19 virus.
Okay.
Then only you purchase that sanitizer. Otherwise, don't purchase such a sanitizer on which it is written that this is effective against bacteria, this is effective against germ. What is the meaning of germ and what is the meaning of bacteria, yaar?
Okay, so as you are saying, sir, that like I am understanding that your concern is whatever sanitizers are available in market, they are effective for the germs and bacteria and not for the virus.
Maybe they may be effective. I am not claiming that they are effective. They may be effective against germ and bacteria, but they may not be effective against viruses.
Okay, sir. So currently the fake market is going on, we can
Yes,
say, of these
yes, yes,
sanitizers.
yes. And due to threatening position of the common people,
Right.
these bogus manufacturers are encashing.
Okay.
They are looting
Okay.
the common peoples.
So, sir, but also government is suggesting that use sanitizers, use mask, use hand wash and all. So, and you are saying that sanitizers are not affecting for this virus.
Yes, yes.
So these two things are contradicting.
Yes,
Could you
contradicting.
please enlighten us
Yes,
more?
yes, yes. Again, I am telling you that there are the type of sanitizers. The sanitizer should be effective against virus. I am not talking about such a sanitizer which is effective against germ and bacteria.
Okay.
That is just like a phenyl. Phenyl is effective against germ and bacteria.
Okay.
But can you wash your hand with phenyl?
No,
No.
we cannot.
And it is useless for the virus.
Can you name such sanitizers? If
No,
you have an idea of that.
No, no,
you name such-
I can't take the name of those manufacturers because what I am telling you in common pattern I am telling you to the common people that you used to purchase such a sanitizer only on which it is written that it is effective against COVID-19 virus,
Okay.
not against bacteria and not against germ, because coronavirus is not a bacteria, neither it is a germ.
I hope now all will be understanding the actual.
There is one more thing I want to highlight that thing also.
Sure, sir.
So everybody knows that on social media nowadays there is a big advertisement of a card, tagged card, just like our identity card we used to get in our
lace
pocket.
card.
No, lace card.
Yeah.
So that lace card is available in the market. The cost of that card is 999 rupees.
Okay.
And they have claimed that this is a Japanese card and this card is effective against coronavirus. It keeps away the coronavirus.
Okay.
And those cards are sold out on the social media on a vast scale. So I am challenging to the medical authority of our nation also, whether this card is approved by our medical authority, whether it is tested,
Right.
whether the conclusions are positive against the coronavirus,
Right.
then how such products are selling out on the social media?
Right. So, sir, have you filed any complaint regarding this lace card?
Yes, being a president of Jagruk Nagrik Forum, I used to approach many complaints from the common peoples. They used to ask me ki whether this product should I purchase this product. So I can't give the advice just randomly because I used to go to the deep knowledge of that product. That is why I have raised such questions.
Okay.
That whether this sanitizer is really effective against virus, whether this card is really effective against
Right.
coronavirus, or there is also one more thing that ultraviolet rays, some instrument is there just like mosquitoes mat. That is also on social media.
Social media.
So whenever you will come from the market and you will purchase the vegetables and all other your grocery, then you should get it disinfectant, get it disinfected by this ultraviolet apparatus. So I am challenging to the medical authority whether they have approved these apparatus.
Yes, sir. Right.
I am not against to use all these apparatus. I want to know the thorough knowledge whether it is really effective against coronavirus or not.
Right. Right. So, sir, your concern is that you people can use genuine products which are really affecting on
Correct,
COVID-19
correct.
and which is really curing that virus.
Correct.
So, people should only use those products and
Correct.
not the fake or other products which are available in the
Correct.
market which are just doing their business.
Correct.
So, I hope everyone is enough mature to understand which product we should buy and which product we should not buy, and everyone can take their own care.
And on the other side, I am appealing to the common peoples that don't go for sanitizer every time. Not necessary. Your soap, 10 rupees soap is sufficient for whole family for 1 month.
Yes, sir. And also, if you have any doubts regarding any products, or if you have any confusion, or if any rumors is in the market, so you can always contact Mr. Subhash Bhai, who is the president of Jagruk Nagari Forum, for the more clarification and more details of that of those things. I am sure definitely Bhai will help you in these things. So, thank you so much, sir, for joining us and enlightening us and making awareness in the public regarding this fake market of sanitizers. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.